Hello friends. So my today's session is specifically dedicated to my teacher friends and my colleagues. Yeah. So by this time we are very much familiar with online teaching and various teaching tools. Yeah. So in my opinion, like teaching tools are also important, and equally important are the tools which really can help us in checking. Yeah, checking the assignments. Yeah, any annotations, or you can say writing any comments, etc. And my today's video is specifically for that. So I am going to talk to you regarding one of the very you can say one of the excellent tools. So that is called Kami extension. Yeah, and to use Kami extension, first requirement is we should have Kami extension. This is one of the Chrome extensions that should be installed in the system. Okay, so we can install Chrome extension by the name Kami. Yeah, so in the system, and of course we want to for annotation we need one of the tools, stylus. Okay, so like I use Wacom tablet, so which provides me this stylus. Yeah, so otherwise you can use any graphic tablet, or you can take any stylus. Yeah, if you have touch screen, yeah, you can you have touch phone also, so there you can prepare a very you can say ready-made stylus also. Okay, so now let me tell you how to use Kami extension for checking purpose. So I have Kami extension installed in my system. Okay, now my students have sent me their pre-board papers, yeah, through mail. So in my, I just went to my email. Okay, so then this is the PDF file which I have received from my students. Then I can see this is open with, so I have various add-ons. So when I just take, I have so many options. So out of which I am opting for annotation with Kami. Okay, so now the document will open like this. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, so here you see, yeah, it will open like this. Now there are various, you can say, features. If you see the sidebar, yeah, this is okay. So now let me tell you, while installing Kami extension from Chrome Store, so you can have a choice like 90 days free trial period for teachers. Okay, and even if it is, after 90 days, now you can get some basic features which can be helpful. Like in my case, 90 days free trial period is over, so that's why it is showing like this. Upgrade is that, but I'm not going to spend money on this because my needs are fulfilled here. Yeah, so here you see, I need markup. Like here you see, text highlighter, box highlighter, which really can be used to highlight some portions. Specifically, whenever you are teaching some theory portion, that you are like sharing any PDF file with the students, you want that particular portion to be highlighted, so you can use this feature. Okay, like I can show you. Suppose I have taken box highlighter, so if I take like this, okay, so I can choose color also. Okay, so like this. Okay, so this is one of the features. A comment, text box, and drawing. So this is specifically, this will help us to, do the correction work. Yeah, writing something on it, and the shapes, like you see, you can have various shapes. Okay, okay, then eraser. So basic feature we need for correction work, yeah, for writing purpose specifically, we need this drawing. and eraser. Okay, maximum, yeah, most frequently used feature. And of course, this highlighter portion we can use also. Okay, so let me just tell you, yeah, so yeah, while starting the checking work, I would go to the drawing feature. Okay, yeah, so I'm getting some colors here, and of course, I need red color. Yeah, so any color of my choice I can take. Maybe I can take red color. Yeah. Okay, so like this I can check. So here, yeah, so this is red copy that I can do. Otherwise, you can do directly because the sender has not given me permission to check like this. So that's why I'm getting such feature. Anyway, so when I just make my copy, I am getting this. Yeah, so like this you can check. Okay, you can. Okay, showing you some features here. Yeah, so okay, very convenient to use this checking app. I can say checking app. Otherwise, it is basically annotation of any PDF files can be done. Okay, so this is one. So now this is the extra portion the child has written. Okay, so what I can do here, I can take the box highlighter. So I will be highlighting this portion. See, I'm highlighting this portion. Okay, then I can write it here. Okay, then I can come to drawing for writing purpose. Like this is not required. Okay, so I can write it comfortably. Okay, next. Okay, so when you go like this, so I'm sure, yeah, so you can do it. Okay, now this feature I wanted to show you. Now this is uploaded like this. Yeah, so I can check it in this way. So I have to, I mean, make it a straight. Yeah, so here you see these three lines menu bar. You can see lots of features are there. So out of which, yeah, it's given like this. So rotate anti-clockwise, clockwise. Yeah, rotate counterclockwise. So now you see it is now straight. Okay. So now like I can check comfortably. Okay. Okay. So this is the, yeah. So again you see. Okay. Again I go to this place. Yeah. So I want to, yeah, rotate clockwise. Now it is straight. Here. Okay, so this is one marker question. So I can just take this. Yeah. Okay, if I want to make any correction, something like this, no? So that is pre-board exam. The students really want their mistakes to be communicated. They should know where they are making mistakes. So we want to comment, yeah, the process, sorry, the way they are writing the answers. So we want to just give the comments and specifically, yeah. So here you see like this. Okay. Now I can give half mark here. So this is basically is. So I want to just know show them where they are making mistakes. So what I'm doing here. So this is the question. Okay. So I want to point out the mistakes. Basically, correction work I want to show. Okay. So this is very useful. Now you can write here probability of A union B complement of this. Okay. So it means 1 minus probability of A union B. Okay. So in this way, the children can really be benefited, so that no, yeah, it's not only teaching tool is important, but checking the assignment tool is also equally important. Okay, so we can just go like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So just I want the pages to be checked and uploaded. So that's why no, I'm just going like this. One more pages. Yeah. So in this way, you really can do the correction work. This is, yeah, all these questions are 1 marker. Yeah, here you again you see, yeah, I can take here or rotate clockwise. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, B, C, okay, 1 mark. Okay, so like this. And the last one is, okay. So now this document is fully checked. Okay. Now I can see the marks. Okay, so it's 19.5. See, here also we can write like this. Which page we want to jump. So that these options are also there. So here like jump to page. If you want to go to first page, go to last page. So like this. So here this is the first page. So and it's like this. So I can make it straight. Okay. So here 19.5. Okay, done in this document. So what I can do here, I can download this. Okay, now it will be showing like this. I want the whole document to be downloaded and exported. So begin export. Okay, and very quickly this can be done. Yeah, so download again. No, yeah, so it is being downloaded. Okay, and also we can have other options, like we can take print out, we can save it, we can share it like this. Okay, so these are the some of the required options we can see and we can use. Okay, so then I can go back. Yeah, then I can, yeah, so it is being downloaded. Okay, so this is one of the, you can say, very useful app, and very useful for all the teachers. Yeah, and specifically the students will be benefited because this checking here uh, gives the feeling of offline checking. Okay, so you can check the practical files and not to wait till the tool reopen, then you will be doing your checking work. So here also you can check the practical files and everything. Okay, so thank you so much. So I'm sure it will help you.